Let's get to now our next report on the highlights and takeaways of the ICMR Sero survey. 67% Indians surveyed have developed protection against COVID-19. They've developed antibodies, but it's for the time being. And here's why we shouldn't be rejoicing over this data, because we're far from herd immunity. Sneha Murdani gets you this report.
The ICMR's latest Sero survey brings some good news. It says 2/3 of Indians have antibodies. But then comes a warning. 1/3 of India's population is still at risk. So the threat is very much there. This was the 4th Sero survey carried out by ICMR. And this is what its findings were. 67.6% Indians have developed antibodies against COVID. 2/3 of India's population has antibodies. 40 crore Indians are still at risk.
So the implications of this large Sero survey done as round number 4 clearly show that there is a ray of hope. But there is no room for complacency. We must maintain COVID appropriate behavior and community engagement.
Another encouraging dimension to the latest Sero survey is the steep increase in antibodies among children.
A large proportion of children across the different socioeconomic strata have already developed infection without them developing severe disease. Like in one of the survey in Delhi, around 80% of children in particular area were with antibodies, so they are protected.
But again, experts have sounded a note of caution on the figures.
We have 1/3 of our population, that is 40 crore people, who are still susceptible to developing COVID-19 infection, and 50% of the children have not yet developed antibodies. So instead of relaxing because the numbers of active infections are not very high and releasing the lockdown, we should focus on aggressive vaccination drive. We still have 1/10 of the healthcare workers who have not yet been vaccinated, and that is the gap we need to fill.
Presence of antibodies does not guarantee immunity against COVID infection, especially with the different variants. Therefore, COVID-safe behavior must continue at least until 70 to 80% of the country is fully vaccinated. As advised by ICMR itself, while this study is a ray of hope, there is no room for complacency at this time.
A Sero survey gives a broad picture of India's situation on the COVID front. What is clear is that the country has a long way to go in the battle against the virus. With Sneha Murdani in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.
Let me break down for you what exactly a Sero survey is and why it's very important to really tell us how we're doing in the fight against COVID. Now, a Sero survey essentially tells you how many people have been exposed to a virus in a certain space. Now, how many have recovered is something, again, that this survey conducted in a timely manner will tell you. It gauges the prevalence of virus in an area, whether we're doing well or whether the virus is continuing to spread at an alarming rate. Blood serum tests are essentially done in a certain amount of population that's identified. The examination of the individual's immune system is also done. So that also tells you whether there are antibodies or not. The body's defense against the illness is something that's measured in this Sero survey to show how well we as a population can fight this virus. It also tells you the response to the infection. How well are we warding off the virus once infected? So that's why these Sero surveys are very, very important. The ICMR keeps conducting them in a timely manner to ensure that the results help us